Check this shit out. It's about 11:30. And I heard a noise. What we got up there? What are you doing in my gutter? You need to get down. Come on, get down. Get down. Get down. Nope, I'm gonna get the air horn. I think I heard it in the gutter. Didn't fucking phase the motherfucker. Get the hell out of here. I'm sorry. You can't live up there. Don't you fucking attack me. Get. You fucking kidding me? Hear her crying? Went down that sewer hole, which is connected to, it's not a sewer hole, storm drain, to my storm drain. They can come up there too. I heard noise when I was trying to upload a video of my yard work, and I can't upload anything for some reason. It keeps stopping on me and not responding. Anyways, it's like midnight now. I gotta get to work in the morning by 5:30, or leave here by 5:30. Truth, peace, freedom, love, all. That's crazy.